Abduct means to kidnap or carry off by force. This action involves seizing or snatching someone, often against their will. It is crucial in contexts involving law enforcement and security, where preventing such acts is a priority. Balk, as a verb, means to stop short and refuse to proceed, or to prevent something from happening. In baseball, a balk is an illegal motion by a pitcher. Synonyms include hesitate and block. It helps in recognizing situations where progress is intentionally halted. Confer means to consult or exchange opinions, often in a formal setting. It can also mean to present something as a gift or honor. Synonyms include deliberate, award, and bestow, while antonyms are withdraw, take away, withhold, and deny. It enhances communication and decision-making skills. Frigid describes conditions that are extremely cold or lacking warmth and feeling. Synonyms include freezing and unresponsive, while antonyms are hot, balmy, torrid, warm, and friendly. It helps in accurately describing environments or emotional states. Incalculable describes something too vast to quantify, often unpredictable or uncertain. Synonyms include countless and measureless, highlighting its immeasurable nature. In contrast, antonyms like measurable, countable, and predictable suggest a more defined and foreseeable scope. Intensive describes actions that are thorough and deep, requiring great effort and concentration. Synonyms include thoroughgoing, heightened, and exhaustive, while antonyms are relaxed, easygoing, and laid back. It's used to describe processes or activities that demand significant focus and dedication. Maneuver refers to a planned movement or skillful plan, often used in strategic contexts. It involves executing a scheme with precision, whether guiding a process or manipulating a situation. Synonyms include move, tactic, guide, and manipulate, highlighting its strategic nature. Sabotage involves actions aimed at destroying or hindering functionality. It can manifest as vandalizing, crippling, or subverting systems. Such destructive actions are deliberate, often to disrupt operations or cause harm. It is crucial for developing strategies to prevent and mitigate its impact. Strident describes a sound that is harsh and shrill, often unpleasant to the ear. Synonyms include piercing and grating, while antonyms are mellow, soothing, musical, and honeyed. It helps in accurately describing auditory experiences, enhancing communication skills. Valiant describes someone who acts with bravery or boldness. Synonyms include brave, bold, gallant, and heroic, while antonyms are timid, cowardly, faint-hearted, and chicken. It describes courageous actions or characters in various contexts.